if you get two egos in the room, it can be hard, but the winner is the song. So like that's like the best advice if you were to in fact have some kind of conflict. But
It's like we're looking for the winner already. We're not like, oh, this is my song or yours. And it's almost sometimes literally like line for line, back and forth. So
yeah,
what you said about ego is important because I mean, I think sometimes you have to write your own song. So this ain't that. But
yeah,
there's those times, but I think if you're gonna co-write, that's the first thing to leave outside of the meeting is,
mm,
that control factor. Or the desire to like be controlling of the process. I think.
yeah. I think that's super super cool, and it might be harder for people that haven't written a lot because they're very hungry and they're very much looking to get their own ideas out. Whereas I've written so many songs, it's just like, okay, or what do you have?
Yeah, you're a really good songwriter too already. So like your lyrics and storytelling is just really smart, and you have that going
Thanks.
for you. Do you think that contributes to like you not really having an ego about it because you have more where that came from?
I don't necessarily agree with you, but again, I think it's more for me. It's more of quantity over quality as far as my own work goes. I've done a lot, so and I'm not even saying good. I have written a lot, and I've most what 99% of my stuff is by myself. So yeah, I've gotten in the room with people that are very guarded, but
If it's gonna be hard work, I don't want to co-write. Let's just find the people who it works with. I mean, and that's just me. Some people like hard work, so I'm not trying to like discourage anybody from hard work, but
you can do it if you're willing to be open. I mean, it's actually fun to get in a room with somebody else and work on something.
it is a lot more fun if you can just be free to collaborate and open and listen. It might not be great, and also it's okay to be like, this ain't great yet,
Yeah.
But I think it does help to know that walking into a collaboration is different from, this is all you. And I think there's a time and a place for both, but co-writing specifically, I feel like it goes a lot smoother when ego's not in the room.